Hello everyone. Today let us see how to prepare chicken sandwich. If you think this is the routine chicken sandwich, then you're wrong, because this chicken sandwich I'm going to show you is oilless and you don't have any mayonnaise in this, and also no sauces added in this. This is a very healthy chicken sandwich, and especially for those who are trying to lose weight, you can add this in your menu. So let us see how to prepare this. First of all, take a bowl and take chicken. Here I have taken 250 grams of chicken breast pieces. I have cleaned it nicely and I have chopped them into cube shape like this. And then take a pan and I have added 550 ml of water. Maybe 500 to 700 ml also will do it. So add water and add all the chicken pieces which we have chopped into this pan. Spread it nicely. Chicken pieces should not overlap one on the other. So after that, you need to add a little bit of salt to taste, and then cumin powder, and then pepper powder. That's it. That too, a little pinch of them, not much. That's it. Now close the lid and allow it to boil till all the water gets evaporated and the bottom of the pan should turn brown. So let that process continue. And now for this sandwich, we need the main ingredient, that is curd. So normally, if you have hung curd available for you, you can get it, Greek yogurt or hung curd or something. But for those who don't, you can try this. Take a bowl and place a sieve on top of it and add your homemade curd or the curd you buy from the shops or dairy product. So you add that curd and then let all the water get down into this bowl like this. Now this is what hung curd is. So you can try it at home also. If you don't have sieve, you can try it. Place all the curd in a muslin cloth and then hang it for 1 hour. Then that's it, you will get the curd ready. Now see, our chicken is also already, the bottom of the pan, the entire water is evaporated, and the oil in the chicken, it allows the chicken to fry, and see like this, it turns into a little golden brown color. That's it. Turn off the flame and take a bowl and add all the boiled and lightly fried chicken into the bowl. Now once you place the chicken into the bowl, take 2 forks and try to shred all the chicken pieces nicely. See, the chicken is almost soft and it's so tender also, it's so juicy also. So shred it nicely with the help of the forks. If you don't have fork or you can't do it with a fork, let it get down, let it cool down for some time, and you can also shred it with your hand. So put it aside. Now take a pan and heat it nicely, and then place the sandwich bread. Here I have taken brown bread. You can take any bread of your choice and roast it nicely till it turns little golden brown. Do not roast overly, okay? Do not roast much, because it will be crunchy, more crunchy. Now fry all the bread pieces of your desired number and then put it aside. Now after shredding all the chicken, you add vegetables of your choice. Here I have taken bell peppers, green, yellow and red capsicum, and I didn't add any chilies over here. If you want it, you can add it, and also any other vegetables. I have added corn also over here, but I have missed the clip somehow. Now add again salt to taste. Just check in the chicken and then add accordingly, and then give it a nice mix till the salt is mixed well with all the ingredients in the bowl. Now time to add our curd, that is hung curd, because if you add watery curd inside the chicken, when you place it in the sandwich, that will turn watery and that will pour out of the sandwich. So do not add watery curd, but try to add hung curd over here. So for me, I added almost 1.5 cup of the curd in this. So see, this is nicely mixed with all the ingredients, the curd and the chicken and all the vegetables. So it's all ready. So our stuffing is ready for the sandwich. Now take those roasted or fried bread and then add the stuffing, that is our chicken stuffing in the bread. So here it takes almost 2 tablespoons of the chicken stuffing. So and then nicely spread over the bread, and then place the bread on top of it, and then cut it in slices into 2 pieces, and that's it. Your sandwich is all ready. So for those who don't like to have this crunchy sandwich, you can directly have this fresh and soft sandwich as well. For some people, they don't like this crunchy sandwich. For those, they can have this soft sandwich as well. You don't need to fry. Once your stuffing for the chicken is ready, you can directly add it on the bread and spread it nicely, and then have it soft And for those who love to have crunchiness, you can fry it and then you can have this crisp and crunch chicken sandwich. So for this sandwich you don't need any oil, and also you don't need any mayonnaise, and you don't need any sauces also, but still it is very yummy, and most of all it's very healthy and also delicious. So for those who are trying to lose weight or want to have guilt-free meal, you can try this chicken sandwich at home, and trust me, you'll truly love it. You'll truly love it and enjoy this chicken sandwich, and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. Bye bye.